This is a review for this folding hand cart, utility cart from TODAYGO. This is the pink version. There's a couple different colors you can choose here. This utility cart is a little bit unique to some of the other ones that are on the market because of the way the back wheels are with the 3 wheels on each side. I'll get to that in a second, but pretty much the standard function with the ability to collapse it and take it down. It has a retractable handle on the back here. It rises up pretty high enough to just carry the cart and tip it back and carry it like this. The handle does fold all the way down into the bottom. This cart also has a top, and then this utility cart also has a top up here that clicks into place in these couple little snap spots here. And when you're not using it or you don't want to have the top, you just lift it up and it slides down the front and out of the way. Then there's these slide locks, one on each side, that have to be retracted to their resting position, to their collapse position, I suppose. And then you just kind of fold it up like this. Fold it up like that. And then on each side, there is a clasp here to lock it in place so it doesn't come back apart. So now it's a compact folded utility cart for easy storage. To open it back up, you just reverse the actions. You pull these out to the side, release the locks from the side, open up each side like this, slide the lock across, pull down the base, and lock it into place at the bottom, and now you've got your cart. Tighten your handle up, tip it back, and you're ready to go. What's kind of neat about this one is it's got these caster wheels in the front. You saw I just turned it around pretty easily. It's because of those casters. You can literally spin this around. It's like one of those suitcases that you can just kind of spin it around any which way you want because of those casters. And the additional feature about this utility cart that's pretty cool is this wheel setup here. The design of these wheels are meant to allow this cart to be pulled directly up steps. When you roll up against a step, this one wheel hits and then the next one hits, and then as you pull it up and over, it rotates and then it goes up to the next set of steps. So it's meant to easily go up steps. Pretty cool feature. The inside of the cart is about 16 inches wide, about a foot front to back. There's a little bit more space tucked underneath this edge here. As far as depth, it's about 14 inches deep. Quite a bit of storage space in there for your stuff in this handcart. Pretty cool.